Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Cloud Stack Management Server version 4.14 on Ubuntu 16.04. This is part 2. Operating system type Ubuntu 16.04, IP address, RAM 2GB, disk 50GB, virtual CPU, to service Apache Cloud Stack version 4.14, host name Java 11 JDK, MySQL 5.7. Now check server version Ubuntu 16.04 and IP address, and then check a resolve.conf file. Must be add your public name server or your local DNS server if exist. Then must be server update and upgrade done. Yes, update and upgrade done. Now check hostess file. All server information include into this file. This is my Cloud Stack IP address and host name, NFS server IP address, host name, and KVM server IP address and host name. Then check host name file, only cloud. Then check static IP address, and then check fully FQDN, and then check internet ping is working fine. Now install some dependency package with MySQL server. Now type configure MySQL 5.7. now password for the MySQL root user, confirm root password, installation done. Now install Open JDK version 11, press enter for adding it, add successfully. Then update and then install Open JDK version 11 and type Y, then enter. Now JDK installation done, and then add Cloud Stack repo, and check repo is working, and update, and then install Apache Cloud Stack Management and uses. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes for complete installation process. Now Cloud Stack service installation done successfully. Now configure MySQL conf file, insert some code for increase maximum connection and timeout under MySQL D section, and then save and exit, and then restart MySQL service, and then Cloud Stack setup database, user and database cloud, deploy as a root using MySQL root password. If you see all status is okay, so it is fine. Then Cloud Stack setup management. I see Cloud Stack has successfully initialized database. You can check your database configuration in etc cloud stack management and db.properties file. you can check this and then wait at least few minutes. All is working fine, and then see log file and import default database into my CloudStack database, and then successfully working, and then connect server IP address and default login, username, admin, password. Now maybe default database imported done. Now try access. Yes, web login successfully. Version about 4.14 1.0. Go to global settings and then change system VM, search and false to true, and enter for save, and again search C plugin and change true to false, and this is set local download ISO web server or public. So my local web server IP address 10.66.30, and then must be stop management server and then start management server and add local domain into this file. For both management and host server, then restart RPC bind service, NFS service, RPC check config on, and TCP 111 is working. Now storage server mount and SSVM download. Create MNT secondary and mount my NFS secondary storage. This is my NFS server, and then download system VM. It will take up to 1 hour plus. Now system VM successfully installed system VM template and template.properties to MNT secondary. Now you mount this folder and remove this directory. But if you use Apache CloudStack management server as a NFS server, so don't remove this directory. Then stop and start CloudStack management service, and then wait my next tutorial for KVM server installation on Ubuntu 16.04 part 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.